Today I am going to conduct an experiment to control 3 LEDs using my MQTT app via MQTT protocol with ESP8266 node MCU. This is a connection diagram. This node MCU, I am using 3 pins to connect to the 3 LEDs. D0 pin to anode of LED 1, D1 pin to anode of LED 2, and D2 pin to anode of LED 3, and cathode of LED 1, cathode of LED 2, cathode of LED 3. They are all connected to the ground pin of node MCU. Only a simple connection. So you can connect without breadboard also. You can directly connect LED to the node MCU, or with breadboard also you can do it. So after doing this connection, you should understand the publish and subscribe concept in used in MQTT protocol communication. And here one client should act as publisher and another client should act as a subscriber. And in this experiment, I am making my MQTT app as a publisher and node MCU as subscriber, and broker is MQTT broker. So there is one more concept in this MQTT, that is topic concept. So the topic used is WPT/data. So because the publisher wants to publish the data on the topic WPT data. So here you can change your topic name. Since my college name is Women's Polytechnic, I have taken as WPT, and I want to send the data. So I'm writing data, but you should insert one backslash between these two, separation between and these two words. And the subscriber should subscribe to the same topic. The publisher, he is publishing his data using this topic, and the subscriber will subscribe to this topic. So if the subscriber node MCU subscribe to this topic WPT data, whatever the publisher sends the message via the MQTT broker, and the subscriber will receive that message. So this is a code, and the code only few changes you should make. You write your own SSID, because see here I have connected, and I am using my mobile hotspot, and whose name is Shanta CM I have taken. I'll connect this. So the same Wi-Fi credential you should write in your you should write in your code. Once again, I'll connect. Okay, till it connects, I'll explain and the code. So the SSID is, see here, Shanta CM, and password I have given this, and the MQTT server is server MQTT server address you should give here, IP address. How to get this IP address? So go here and go to command prompt. So command prompt. So write the command as ping to get the MQTT IP server address. I'm using the command as ping mosquito dot org and press enter. So it will ping the it will give us the IP address, that is 85.119.83.194. Sorry, you should give the command as ping space test.mosquito.org. Then you will get the address as 91.191.121.93.94, 91.121.93.94. So this address you should give here. So you also check with the help of this command. The command is, I'll write here, ping space mosquito test.mosquito.org. I'll copy this and I'll paste here to get this address. Okay, so after getting this address, you need to do one more changes here. So if you are using 3 LED pins, you define as D0, D1, D2, or any other pin you want to write, you write down here. And one more change you should do here. Okay, here. So if a message is equal to 0, I'm making my first LED as high. That time the LED will be turned on, and I'll display this message on the serial monitor. LED 1 is on. Else, if it is not 0, I'll give the command a message is equal to off 1. Then I'll send load to that LED pin which is connected to LED 1. LED 1 will become off and it will be printed on the serial monitor. And if message is equal to 1, then LED 1 becomes on. Sorry, LED 2 becomes on. If message is equal to off 2, then LED 2 becomes off. And in the similar fashion, if message is equal to 2, then LED 3 becomes on, that which is connected to LED pin number 2. And if message is equal to off 3, LED 3 will be off. So you can change here. It's not compulsory to write 0, 1, 2. You can write anything. If message is equal to 1, then first LED on, or if message is equal to 2, first LED on. So like this, anything you can change it. So you can make changes in these statements. And one more change. And here the baud rate we should use 11,115,200 baud rate only we should use. Here. Here. So the ESP8266 will publish on the topic WPT/LED, where the message will be displayed on the serial monitor, and in the subscriber also we will get. And one more change is WPT data I have written here. Here, and the client.subscribe, here I have given the topic name as WPT data. So here also you can change here. So you can give home/data or kitchen/data or bedroom/data. So wherever if you are connecting a bulb in a bedroom, so that topic name you can change here. So after doing all these modifications, so we will upload this code to the Node MCU. So let us go to Arduino IDE software, and here you copy that code and paste it here, paste it in Arduino IDE software, and select the board Node MCU 1.012E model and the port to which your Node MCU is connected, and hit on the upload button. Now I'll hit on the upload button. So it will start uploading. Once it is completely updated or uploaded, then you click on the serial monitor. Now, from the mobile MyMQTT app, I'll I'll publish 0. So you can check in the serial monitor. See here in serial monitor, I got on WPT data topic, I published 0 and LED 1 is on. Now, if I publish off 1, that also I'll show you. You check here. So off 1, the LED 1 is off. In this way, we can control the LEDs using MyMQTT app. And what are the steps for my MQTT app as a publisher? So what if you do in my MQTT app, go to the publish section and set the topic as WPT/data and then start sending the messages like 0 to turn on LED 1, off 1 to turn off the LED 1, 1 to turn on the LED 2, off to turn off the LED 2. Send 2 to turn on LED 3, off 3 to turn off LED 3, and just if you type off, all the LEDs will be turned off. So here we are making my MQTT as app as a publisher. And one more thing is ESP8266 node MCU. It should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the MQTT broker is connected. And the broker is running and it should be accessible from both your ESP8266 as well as my MQTT app. So this point you should keep it in mind. And also verify the topic name WPT/data for publishing and WPT/LED for subscribing. And they are same for ESP8266 code as well as my MQTT app. So using my MQTT app, as a publisher, when you use my MQTT app to send the messages to the topic WPT/data, the app is acting as a publisher and it sends the messages to the MQTT broker and which then forwards all the messages to the subscriber of that topic. For example, if you send message 0 to the topic WPT/data, you are publishing the message. And ESP8266 is a subscriber which is subscribed to the topic WPT/data and it receives the message and turns on LEDs or turns off the LEDs accordingly. Here I have given some simple steps. Upload the code to your node MCU and send 0 to turn on LED 1, send off 1 to turn off LED 1, send 1 to turn on LED 2, send off to turn off LED 2, send 2 to turn on LED 3 and send off 3 to turn off LED 3 and send off to turn on all LEDs. So you have already know the basics of MQTT. So it is a lightweight messaging protocol. It is designed for internet IoT applications. And it operates in public subscriber model and which is different from the traditional request and response model used in HTTP. In this experiment, I am using MQTT protocol to publish my data. And here I am using my MQTT app. I'll show you how to open the MQTT app. This is my MQTT app. This I have already installed using Play Store. You just press on my MQTT app, then click on publish. So before publish, you can see here, I'll once again show you. When I press my MQTT app, it will show us the MQTT server IP address 91.121.93.94 connected. So before this, you should connect. You should turn on your mobile hotspot, and thus to the same hotspot you should connect your ESP8266 node MCU. Then after that you publish. Click on publish and you type the topic name. In code I have given the topic name as WPT, my college name, /data. This is my topic I have given to publish, then click type now LED 1 is turned on. I want to turn off. For turning off, I have given the command OFF1 off 1. In program code program I have given that. You click on publish. You can check the LED is off. Okay. Now if you want to turn on the LED, so erase this, send 0. If I publish 0, LED 1 will be turned on. See, LED 1 is turned on. Now if you publish 1, then LED 2 is turned on. If you publish 2, number 2, because in code I have given 2, LED 3 is turned on. To turn off LED 1, I'll press OFF1. Publish, LED 1 is turned off. If I press OFF2, LED 2 is turned off. If I publish OFF3 off 3, third LED is turned off. Again I'll send publish 0 to turn on LED 1 to turn on LED 2 to turn on LED 3. So to turn off all LED, I have given the command just off OFF. In one slot, all the LEDs will be turned off. So in this way, I can control the LEDs using my mobile hotspot using MQTT, MyMQTT app. And the same thing you can see it in serial monitor. I'll show you. In serial monitor, the message will be displayed. See, when I send 0, LED 1 is turned on. That message I have already got. And for 1, LED 2 is turned on. See, WPT data is a topic name, and the message I have given as 1, and displayed message is LED 2 turned on. In the similar fashion, LED 3 turned on, LED 1 off. In the same commands, as soon as I give the command in my MQTT app, the same thing will be displayed in serial monitor. In this way, you can control the 3 LEDs using my MQTT app.